$10,000 on a GR Yaris. That's what separates a properly quick street car from another Instagram build that can't make it through a track day. The difference? Spending $2,400 on wheels and tires instead of $3,000 on coilovers that ride worse than stock. Here's the reality check. $10,000 won't get you internal engine mods, won't get you a big turbo, won't get you carbon fiber anything. But it will turn Toyota's 3-cylinder, all-wheel drive monster into something that'll embarrass cars costing twice as much, if you know where to spend. First rule of GR Yaris ownership: that G16E GTS engine needs proper maintenance before you touch anything else. $600. Engine oil, transmission fluid, differential fluid, brake fluid if it's over 2 years old. Skip this, and your turbo wastegate will remind you why Toyota technicians charge $150 an hour. The forums are full of people who learned this lesson at 5,000 miles. Now the suspension. Everyone wants to slam their Yaris on $800 eBay coilovers. Don't. Eibach Pro-Kit springs, 320. KYB XL G shocks, 480. 1.2-inch front drop, 1-inch rear. Progressive spring rates that won't destroy your spine. The cheap coilovers use linear rates copied from track cars. Your kidneys will hate you by week 2. The body roll. Stock GR Yaris leans like it's dodging missiles. Whiteline adjustable sway bars, front and rear, 680 total. 3-way adjustable. Set them soft for daily driving, crank them stiff for track days. Add a Cusco front strut brace for 280 and energy suspension bushings for 240. Total suspension package, 2,200. 40% less body roll, 0% kidney damage. Wheels and tires. This is where builds live or die. NKRPF1s, 17x8 plus 45 offset. 1,200 for the set. 17.3 pounds each. The plus 45 offset clears everything without spacers. No stress on wheel bearings, no fender work needed. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S in 225/45/17, another 1,200. Threepiece.us has the exact fitment specs if you want alternatives, but this combo is proven. Power mods. The 3-cylinder turbo responds to basic bolt-ons better than you'd expect. HKS Racing suction intake, 420. 12 horsepower, better throttle response, keeps the factory airbox location. Borla ATAC catback exhaust, 980. 15 more horsepower, T304 stainless, aggressive sound without drone. Mishimoto intercooler, 400. Drops intake temps 30 degrees under load. Total, $1,800, 35 horsepower gained, 0 CEL codes. Braking upgrades for 1,200 total. Hawk horsepower sus, 5 pads. Front and rear, 280. StopTech stainless lines, 180. Model RBF 600 fluid with a 594-degree boiling point, $60. StopTech Sport slotted rotors, 680 for all 4 corners. Not drilled. Drilled rotors crack. Slotted evacuates gases, stays quiet, lasts longer. This setup survives 20-minute track sessions without fade. 800 left for cosmetics that actually do something. OEM style front lip, 250. Protects your bumper and adds minor downforce. Carbon fiber rear spoiler extension, 180. Actual rear stability at speed. Side skirts, 220. Completes the look, protects paint. The remaining 150 goes to interior bits. Shift knob, floor mats, whatever makes you happy when you're rowing through gears. Installation order matters. Week 1, all maintenance. Week 2, complete suspension install, then alignment with your actual wheel and tire setup. Week 3, brake system. You need 200 miles of bedding before hard driving. Week 4, power mods. The ECU needs adaptation time. Week 5, cosmetics. Never install power mods before suspension. You'll just understeer into a tree with your new horsepower. The coilover trap. Every GR Yaris group has someone selling used BC Racing or Megan coilovers for $800. They bought them, Realize they ride like garbage, now they're your problem. Those Eibach springs with quality shocks outperform any coilover under 1500. The wheel size mistake: 18 or 19-inch wheels look cool, add unsprung weight, cost more for tires, ride worse. Stick to 17, the tune trap. Downpipes, bigger turbos, methanol injection. They all need professional tuning. That's another $1,000 minimum, plus the risk of blowing up your warranty and maybe your engine. This build stays naturally aspirated friendly. No tunes required. Everything works with the factory ECU. Toyota's warranty department can't deny claims for bolt-on mods that don't require tuning. Labor costs kill budgets. Professional suspension install runs $800 to $1,200. Add another $200 for alignment. If you're not doing the work yourself, add at least $1,000 to this budget. But here's the thing. A properly aligned suspension setup beats expensive parts installed wrong every single time. Pay for the alignment. Your tire wear will thank you. Final verdict on the 10 grand GR Yaris build. You get 35 more horsepower, 40% less body roll, brakes that survive track abuse, and a stance that matches the performance. Lap times drop 2 to 4 seconds on technical courses. The car stays reliable, daily drivable, warranty-friendly. You won't beat built ST-Is or tuned Golf Rs in straight lines. But on a tight course, different story. Who should do this build? Anyone who actually drives their GR Yaris hard. Track days, canyon runs, autocross, this setup handles it all. Who should skip it? If you just want to look low and loud, save your money. Buy springs and an exhaust, call it done. But if you want to embarrass cars costing twice as much while still driving to work Monday morning, this is your blueprint. Start with maintenance, always. Then suspension, wheels, brakes, power, cosmetics, in that order. Use quality parts from known brands. Skip the forum special deals on used coilovers. And remember, threepiece.us has the fitment database for whatever wheel setup you're considering. $10,000. Done right, it transforms Toyota's pocket rocket into something genuinely special. Done wrong, it's an expensive mistake that rides worse than stock. Choose wisely.